So before I get started, quick little side story. So I got this it came in like a week or two ago, and I just left it on the floor in my room. I came home drunk one night, and I stepped on this thing, and because of the packaging, it didn't instantly explode into a million pieces. So I don't know who packaged this, but shout out to you guys. What's going on, y'all? It's Big West here. So today's just a short little update video for everyone interested in knowing how I make my videos. I already made the one reviewing that microphone I got a while back. So today I'm going to look at this. So a while back I saw an ad on Instagram for like a fill light for making videos. And I was like, okay, that's actually pretty good. So I decided to buy it. It's actually a decent price. It was like $70. I got the actual fill light with a camera holder and like a 2-meter tripod. So I mean, this is just a simple tripod. It's not that much. It comes in 2 different packages. So I don't really want to like show this off, but that's what it is. But I'm going to open this up and see how it works, and if it goes well, we might be moving on out the bathroom and I'm gonna be making videos. I'm gonna look around for a better spot, but this could be graduation day, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I'm just gonna see what this is, and just for anyone who's interested how I make my videos, got that camera, I record off my iPhone, and then hopefully we'll be adding this new edition.
Okay, so here we have the package. Like I said, it was really solid packaging, wrapped very well. And here I have a little bit of trouble opening it up, but once I do, I have here the camera mount, the holder just to attach it to it, and then the light itself. So one other thing I just want to mention, compared to the tripod that I have now, the mount is so easy to attach the phone to. The light also has like 3 settings, so you can adjust how bright you want it, but overall it's a really nice looking setup, and it's just really simple and easy to use.
Alright, y'all, so I got the camera set up. It's looking pretty nice. So this is how my setup looks with no light, and then this is how it looks with the fill light. So I'm gonna check this out. Let me know how you guys think this looks. This could be the way my videos look from now on. So I'm gonna just keep playing with this. I'll put the link to where I bought this light in the description, so you guys can buy it too if this looks like something you'd be interested in. And so let me know what you guys think. Stay posted, subscribe for more videos, and I will be back very shortly, hopefully with this new setup. All right, thanks guys. Peace out.